From the studio of South Asia Views.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
In an horrific incident this morning, as many as 84 shops gutted fire at Laithumkhrah market. No loss of life reported as the fire gutted in the morning hour. It took hours for fire services to put down the flame. Local MLA Laithumkhrah, after reaching the spot, took stock of the situation and informed that CM have assured to support in rebuilding the market. The reason of fire is yet to be certain, but some claims to be short circuit. Total value of loss cannot be known at present and it need to look out thoroughly, said MLA.
Sir.
Yeah.
Telepon. Pakaladon ke Ching jong kami kayo mai ang Laithumkhrah. Bazar kayo Laithumkhrah. Kadaw jong ka Ching sedang jong kata kading empat la bantip yang artikulat kidang le ya ka assessment ke jong ki. Kidang up menta ya ki officers jong ka DC office pagpili ki ba saka edeng jong kampanye immediately ihapan le ka assessment. Kabalay beri gilaya yang gilaya keren lang barkador pat bat kita inom syokyo manginya perkat ke ego pengidor kampan le akabanik ko chief minister ba yang ika assurance ba ngin pentha kamploy ya katay gajaka kamaing first floor jong na relocated market ba pade ka pangilaya keren mende chief minister kalong ba ngin don kam menta bangin perkat ya ka ke bangina pande idon are likely the options sa pangaya trend bakasnong but the vendors da ni ilong songyo but in saya tek bahaya kani katam ni go piang hakapor live je hanging yang DC nga hakapor saw je in sara ya kata proposal syai honorable chief minister ba ilaay ni ka assurance ba in moromot ya katay jata hakat ka bakloy ka bala di kijinglot hang di hinong patla ong ni happy right pat bentan ini kibala sya junot lagi kan kijong ki hakat bilaw atau kin pam jane kin imski kuno kidon kita ki options atau ngin snano tapoy tara ka bale nakapabro prap sawot ila ban shop akan dicakap jong kacaka jong rejing normal di ba sui untuk ne in ong no yang isyong haying in generate pat nakaway ko wage law scheme naka MLA fund donga mat cover yung kita kishipo kansan scheme iba kasyim kapor manishna ya katikiyo ke hapdeng jong kitiki ngong song yo kabanjulor kamday kataka multimedia center kabala ing gaway the printer high definition printer kinyapit ka bang kuno ngintip kuno nginyale tangba ngidon kam banyarap dikini patba ini ibala chef yang kini katana.
From the studio of South Asia Views.